Today we're investigating a single powerful verse from the Quran, chapter 59, verse 7.
It's a foundational verse for many, but what if a close reading tells a different story?
So this is the key phrase. Traditionally, it means follow the prophet's every word and deed.
But what was the messenger bringing right then? To find out, we have to check the context.
Okay, so the chapter is about a very specific economic issue, newfound community wealth. This central topic is a type of resource called fay, which means what is returned. And the verse gets super specific, listing exactly who should benefit from this wealth. And the text is explicit about its goal: keep wealth from being hoarded by the rich. So how does take what the messenger brings fit in? Well, the linguistic clues are key. The Quran uses two different words, Nabi and Rasul, and they are not synonyms. Think of it like this: a Nabi is the man who gets the news. A Rasul is the function that delivers it. And look, the Quran itself lists them separately. This proves they have distinct roles. So verse 59 7 times specifically says Rasul. It's about the function, not the person.
But is there more proof of this separation?
Oh yeah, it's in moments of divine correction.
You see the pattern, right? The corrections are always aimed at the Nabi, the human, never the Rasul. This shows the man was fallible, but the message he delivered as Rasul was protected.
Okay, with all this evidence, let's go back to the verse and deliver a verdict.
So let's look at this one last time. What does it really mean now?
The command isn't general at all. It's a specific order to implement this economic rule.
It's all about stopping wealth concentration by following the Quran's own rule. And that leaves us with two totally different readings, all from the very same verse.
So, is the ultimate guide the message or the man? This reading points to one answer.